behind that keyboard. Alex! Okay. Christopher! Yes, this is our tour manager. Take off that thing. All right, Christopher, put your hands up, guys. This guy is from Vanuatu. I hope that you love people from Vanuatu because you're about ready to not drop him. All right, put your hands up. Hands up. Chris, I want you to jump as far as you can, further than your dad did. You ready? Go, 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 go. Justin, let me know. He's gonna take. I need you to show me how strong you are, PNG. This guy is from Hawaii. You don't travel, brother, from the South Pacific. Justin, I'm gonna get you a little bit further back, okay? All right. You ready, Justin? Hands up, all the way up, keep all the way up to the front. Okay. 1, 2, 3, Justin! Now push him up, throw him up, throw him up.
Alright, we gotta do one more. We can't leave PNG without Mark Moore riding the crowd, right? One sport to ride the crowd. Come on. You can't drop him, you can't drop him. Put your hands up, you gotta be strong.
Why don't we have Joyce jump on this side while Alex jumps on that side. Wait. Kenny Moreno, our sound engineer, to the front, please. Joyce, you ready? Okay, ladies, put down your phones. Do not drop Obi's wife. Guys, big, strong guys. You give Alex the ride for your life. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Bring it down. Shh. You know, we are not an 8-member band. We have a manager. We have a co-manager. We also have a sound engineer. And you know what? He looks a lot like Thor, doesn't he? So this is what I want to have happen. I want you to take him out out, out, over, and back. All the way. Nobody's ever made it from the guys all the way over to the girls and back without being dropped. Kenny Moreno. All I ask afterwards this concert's done, all I ask is a little security back there when I put his stuff away, okay? That's all I ask, because you guys are beautiful and I want to take pictures with you guys. Okay, wait. Shh. Girls, don't you get a squeeze, okay? I'm watching you. Okay, all the way out, all the way over, all the way back. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Put your hands up, ladies. Put your hands up. Put down your phones. Put down your phones. Put down your phones. Let's do this. All right. Are you ready now? Now, wait. I want to find out who's the loudest. Okay, start, stop. Guys. Dance, Albie. You guys are loud, but can you sing? Guys, what I want you to do is say soul, fire, soul, fire. You say soul, fire. Louder. Soul, fire. Okay, ladies, what I want you to do is say my desire. My desire. My desire. Louder. My desire. You say my desire. Okay, we're gonna put them together. Here we go. So fire. My desire. So fire. My desire. Come on, guys. So fire. Like the band, when the enemy tried to